My name is Cara. I'm a professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a 360 pop shove it. We've never done this tutorial before. I feel like we've literally done every single tutorial for a flat ground trick. I'm sure that's not true, but if you guys know of one we didn't do, leave it in the comment below. Honestly, I never did this before because I sucked so bad at this trick that I felt like I couldn't do it well enough to teach you guys how to do it. So now I feel like I have gotten better at it, and I figured out a little secret. I was in my garage playing around with the board, and I figured out that if I put my back foot right on the tip of the tail and pop straight down, it would cause the board to spin flat, do a 360, and I could land it. So that one little secret was just incredible. It really helped me. I personally really like this trick. I think people like Shane O'Neill do it, and it looks amazing. It looks better than a 360 flip. It's more controlled. It just looks cool because the board is like, woo! Honestly, it's a lot harder to keep the board flat than it is to flip it. So I'm gonna go into that a little bit just to start out, just so you guys understand. Before you start learning this trick, I do suggest that you have pop shove-its. Obviously, you should have that. You should have the basics down. You should be into the more intermediate / advanced tricks. If you're following the Skateboarding Made Simple lineup, it would mean you've done all the basic Skateboarding Made Simple 1 tricks, pretty much all of the Skateboarding Made Simple 5 tricks, but within that realm of the Skateboarding Made Simple 5, you're gonna get into the 360 pop shove it. So it's actually, like I was saying, easier to do a 360 flip because when you learn 360 flips, your back foot is right there and you scoop it really hard and the board just naturally wants to spin. So as the board is going around and naturally spinning, a lot of times if you try to do a 360 pop shove it, you're gonna cause the board to spin, you're gonna land primo or upside down. But if you have really good board control and you have this secret tip, I'm telling you, super secret, top secret. You put the ball of your foot right on the tip of the tail, you pop it, the board comes up, spins around, and then boom, like a beast. The other trick is you have to leave your front foot on. It's the same like a regular pop shove it. If you just do a pop shove it 180, then your front foot is gonna stay on there the whole time. It's like the guiding foot that guides it around. The 360 pop shove it is no different, except for obviously there's more force popping down, more force going around, and then your front foot is just gonna stay on there so you can land and roll away. So you're gonna want your front foot in a position like this, your back foot with the ball of your foot on the tip of that tail. Again, that's so important, is right there. Then you get rolling with a little bit of speed, pop straight down, the board pops up, you're gonna leave your front foot on as much as possible and just have the board go around, just like that, nice and smooth. Wait till it comes all the way down, makes a full 360 rotation. Your back knee, meanwhile, is bent, so your board can flip around. Then you're gonna extend your back knee, put your front foot down, and then put your back foot down, land on all fours, and roll away. That's the full trick. And when you get that really good and you really get that concept down of how to pop it with your back foot, you're gonna be able to do the trick. It's gonna be really awesome. You guys got it. Great, so for the practice steps, you're gonna have your back foot on the tail. Remember to put the toe right in that center. And then you're just gonna pop it straight down super hard, and you're gonna get the board to do a 360. Try and keep the board flat. Try and spin it just with your back foot. Your front foot is off the board. Just with your back foot, try and keep the board flat. If you can't and it keeps spinning or landing primo, don't worry, it's not that big of a deal, but just do your best to try and keep it flat. It's very important. It's not the end of the world because the next step, with your front foot on, you're gonna pop it and you're gonna leave your front foot on the whole way. This time you're gonna step off with your back foot. Pop it, scoop it, step off with your back foot and leave that front foot on. Your front foot is the fail safe. If your front foot is on there flat, the board's not gonna spin. That's why I say when you're just doing it with your back foot, it doesn't really matter that much if it does turn, because when you're on there doing the full thing, you have your front foot to keep it level. So that's gonna be very important. So first practice step, just with your back foot, just pop, 360. Second practice step, pop, step off with your back foot and have it go around. After you learn that practice step really well, it's actually really easy. You just simply pop it, bend your back knee, have the board go around, extend your back knee, and land. I know you guys can learn this trick. It's definitely gonna take some practice. Make sure you have your basics down. Make sure you've been practicing just riding around, a lot, you're rolling, you got your kick flips, you've got some of your basic tricks down, and then get into this one. Like I said, it's super cool, it looks super awesome. It's a great trick for a game of skate. I know some very talented skaters that will get a letter on this trick. The main thing that can go wrong with this trick is your board turning, landing 90, landing upside down. That's the main thing, especially if you're really good at 360 flips or you do 360 flips all the time. You're gonna like try to do the 360 pop shove it like a 3 flip. It's not like a 3 flip, it's totally different. Back foot, straight down, pop it, spin it around. That's what's gonna keep the board flat, and that will handle it. I hope you guys are progressing in your skateboarding, and I hope you're out there and practicing and getting better and better. I know you guys by the end of the summer will be really good. So let's get out there and make some awesome videos. I really want to see you guys progressing, and I want to see your videos. You guys can send us your videos by going to brailleskateboarding.com, and there is a tab under the Braille Army where you can click on that, and there's a whole form there that you can send us your videos. So we really love to see those, so thanks a lot. I hope you guys are progressing, and thank you, each and every one of you, for your continued help and support. It's really awesome to have you on this push skateboarding journey together with us. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned 360 pop shove-its. Thanks a lot for watching. Please click that subscribe button, click that like button, and thank you. I'll see you next time.